Hello, tutor. Good morning. My name is Andres Mueses. I am single. I am from Ipiales. I am 26 years old. I am a farm tractor operator and I study agronomy at UNA. I will tell about the biography of Fernando. Fernando Botero was born in 1932 in Medellin, Colombia. He painted in the new figurative style and called himself the most Colombian of Colombian artists. Hillary painted large people, figures that were much larger than life in all parts of their body. His critics often called them fat people. Botero didn't know the reason we he painted shook open forms. Botero grew up looking at paintings in his local Catholic church. These were in the centuries old Baroque style and influenced his style. He was never rich enough to visit galleries and see other works. He was holding his first exhibition when he was 20 in the capital Bogota. He used money he received to go to Europe to study art. Willie, he was living in New York in the 1960s. He found a new inspiration in the Italian Renaissance. He began to experiment with creating volume in the figures, be expanding them and compressing the space around them. This became his unique and trademark style. In 1997, Colombian terrorists destroyed his sculptured bird in Medellin. 70 people passed away in the attack. Botero was now hung in the galleries all over the world. He warranted millions of dollars for each painting he did. His works instead became collectors' items and many people buy them as investments. In 2005, Botero painted a series of 50 paintings that graphically showed the horror of the events in Iraq Abu Ghraib prisons. Uh, these were typical of Botero, using for social commentary. Thank you very much.